So it's freezing, it's barely light out, and I'm in the middle of the woods by myself. What's going on? Let me explain. So hey everybody, welcome back to Fun Size Adventures. I'm Jeff Smith, and this is our family vlog all about getting outdoors and active as a family. But today is a little bit different. Today, like I said, it's just about dawn. I'm here in the Great Pond Mountain Wildlands by myself, hiking in to a trail that they just built, because I wanted to talk to you about the importance of giving back. We go hiking and biking and enjoy all these different outdoor spaces, and we get so much value from them. And every now and then an opportunity presents itself to give back. I was recently contacted by one of the people that works here, and they had told me that they had just finished a new trail and were trying to figure out a way to promote it and to kind of show their donors the work that they've been doing in here. So he just happened to come across some of my videos online, saw the quality of the videos that I make, and he asked me if I would volunteer to make a little bit of a video to help them promote this new trail. So here I am, I'm heading to the Hillside Tote Road. I think it's gonna be a good trail. We're gonna head there. I got up so early today because I wanted to try to get there while the light was still good, to try to get the best video that I could. But it ended up being cloudy, so I don't know if that's gonna make much of a difference. So when I got asked to do this, let me tell you, I was pretty excited. Even though I'm not getting paid to do it or anything like that, it's good to get that recognition and just kind of feel like you're getting somewhere with your video making. And even though the thought of ever actually getting paid to do this is still such a far off dream, it's just a little hint that maybe it's possible somewhere down the road. And that's kind of exciting, you know? It just goes to show that if you just keep doing what you love and just working on it like this, like week after week, put out a video, try to make it a little bit better each time. We're nearly a year into this weekly fun-sized adventure thing, and when I look back at the earlier ones, I can see we've come a long way, and we've still got a long way to go, but hey, anything's possible. So follow your dreams. Gosh, guys, this trail's just coming up over like the shoulder of Oak Hill, and Oak Hill is like one of the smallest little tiny hills in this whole parcel of land, and I don't know if it's the cold air or what, but it is beating me. Okay, so I was told the part of the trail that they redid was the north end, so I gotta be halfway there. So heading down this way, down the other side of the hill, it's got to be the north end, so hopefully we find what it is I'm looking for. That's the thing, even if I don't accomplish this goal today, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for trying to make this video. I wouldn't be in the middle of the woods enjoying this morning by myself. Well, enjoying is a flexible word. Like I said, it's definitely not comfortable, but it is enjoyable. Enjoyable and comfortable are not the same necessarily. Sometimes you got to be uncomfortable to really enjoy yourself. I didn't tell you I had my bike, did I? I gotta admit, I was questioning when I was lugging my bike up over that hill, trying to pretend I didn't have it. I was questioning why I was even bringing it. But now after just coming down that, I'm glad I did. That was awesome. So now I guess I'm heading back the way I came to try to get a few more cool shots in amongst those rocks. That was really cool, the way the trail with the leaves and the boulders and those little bridges. That was awesome. It's so deep in the woods. But it's such a good little trail. I hope people actually take the time to get in here, because like I said, it's a good 2.5, 3 miles, depending on which way you come, to get here. But that was definitely worth it. Hopefully there's more stuff like this to come in the wildlands. Even though it's cold, this turned out to be a really nice filming mission, and I really enjoyed it, and hopefully it's a sign of more things to come. My lips are frozen. And like I said, I daydream sometimes about being able to somehow turn video making into some sort of full-time job. Hey, maybe it will, maybe it won't, but you never know unless you try. So the moral of the story is get out there and follow your dreams. Speaking of dreams, it wasn't that long ago that my dream was to have a family, and I have one at home, and they're probably waiting for me to get there and make pancakes. So see you later. Until next time, follow your dreams and go on a fun-sized adventure of your own.